So how's your slushy, Bret?
They didn't have the Cajun spice in it.
Oh man.
All right, so here we are at the Science Theory.
This is true.
Yeah, laws are up.
What does it mean? We don't know.
It probably means refurbishment, nothing else.
Yeah.
No, nothing secret.
It has been closed for a while, so I would think they would need to
Refurbishment.
Yep.
Nothing other than refurbishment. Whoever is saying that it's going to be closed for good, nah man, cut it out.
Right, now we're going to actually show some Halloween Horror Nights stuff.
Yes, this is, they just announced it. This is the Lights, Camera, Action Eddie Scare Zone. And it looks like it's going to be the best of Scare Zone.
And this is Bam 55, which is right here in Hollywood, which was a really good scare zone. And then they made Vamp 85, which I thought would be really good too. Not really.
So as you see down the street, there is some truss up. There's most likely going to be lighting on there.
Hey.
There's another stage. There's nothing on that stage.
Oh.
And in this direction, there's another stage.
Wow.
So we also thought today would be new merch, you know, Thursday new merch.
Yep.
No,
Nope.
there was nothing there. So, but we do have more scare zones. So
Woo!
let's go to the new
Scary zones. All right, here we are at the Terra Queen, now finally
It's
confirmed.
Gorewood Forest, and God said.
Ooh, thunderstorms. Always good for a Halloween vibe.
Yes, so this will be Gorewood Forest, Terra Queen. Yeah, of course, every single year, this scare zone is gotta do something with nature, and evil is in her nature. Stupid one. But this is the one prop in this scare zone.
So nothing else has really been added to this recently except for all this burlap. Well, the lighting's been here for a few weeks, but very recently this.
Go around the corner and show the dead triceratops.
Hey!
Or the Nightmare Before Christmas triceratops.
Yeah. More twisted metal triceratops.
Steven Spielberg sitting in that triceratops.
That he killed. What a monster. And here we are in San Francisco.
Yes, here we are in the Crypt TV Scare Zone officially.
Yes.
Crypt TV Scare Zone.
So that means they're probably going to uncover the logo pretty soon.
We don't know. I don't think so.
Well,
But
maybe.
This is for the one YouTube channel. It's for the YouTube channel, but like one of the episodes is Look-See, and that's, you can kind of get something out of it. It says something you yourself, release, come close, more in one piece, something.
Well, what I mean is they don't have to cover it up to keep it a secret, so.
Well, yes.
Whether or not they will, I don't know.
They
But they
uncovered
could.
a lot of different things, so we'll see.
But there's no reason for secrecy anymore.
Yes.
That's what I mean.
Since everything has been announced, and
Woohoo!
we can publicly talk about everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Woo.
Yay, Publix.
Oh, hey, look at these socks.
R.I.P. E.P.E.D. Director, anyone?
So yes, this is that scare zone. This is one of the episodes.
I feel like the lens is fogged up.
That's based on, it is this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, better.
Ooh, so clear.
Okay. The ones up here are based on another episode. Oh, I think $2 for getting all of them.
Random coin stop here. Because we're gonna go back, Marty.
It's decent.
Ah.
Not really on that penny flap, but you know. Poppy from Trolls, oh my god!
Doo-dum, 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 doo-dum. And we got 1 penny.
I'm only getting 1 penny. I'm only getting the one that says Universal Orlando. For now.
But look, you get Hello Kitty Jaws.
For now. I won't be back for all the rest of them.
What's more pressing than some pennies? And we interrupt this break from pennies for more pennies. He wants his mommy pennies. Look at how it's so cinematic. It's close, then it's far.
Yeah. That one. Like,
All right.
real lifelike.
But it's not lifelike, he's dead. He's a mummy.
Wouldn't that make him just an Egyptian zombie?
Pretty much, yeah. It's far.
Yeah. That one. Like,
All right.
real lifelike.
But it's not lifelike, he's dead. He's a mummy.
Wouldn't that make him just an Egyptian zombie?
Pretty much, yeah. Over here, last year was the disappointment of the entire Scarecrow stuff. No confirmation yet on whether or not that will come back. I hope so.
We got this one.
All right. What could possibly be next?
Two more.
It's not a
It's
two
gonna be that
more.
one. It's gonna be that one.
What is this ancient contraption of evil?
And the last one.
I thought you could pay for them all at once.
No, some of them do, some of them don't.
I guess this looks like it was a modified. Maybe not.
No, it's because it's not like the other machines that you don't have to hand crank them.
Yeah.
All 4 pennies.
Ooh, so shiny.
Yeah. And it will go into my press penny collection.
I'm impressed. Let's go look at props. Or something. Do it now. Do something cool. Oh, what do we have here? A little dollhouse.
More like Gothic Mansion.
Oh, right, yeah. That was pretty close, right?
No. Yeah, this could be a tribute store.
Well, it could be a dollhouse of the damned.
That's gonna be legendary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Looks
So-
pretty cool already, and obviously it's not finished.
It's gonna be a Gothic mansion. I can't say anything more than that because I know things and I don't.
Yeah. Well, you can see what you can see, and that's all we can say. Obviously, it's going to say tribute store here somewhere, I'm sure.
It's gonna say right here.
But other than that, pretty much everything it's been since for a while. Other than it's officially announced as Seek and Destroy. Sadly, not a Metallica-based Scare Zone. We didn't actually think it was going to be, but
And we still don't know.
well, we don't. Well, it says
We
in the
don't know.
description.
Yeah, but the music
Oh.
we don't know.
Oh, music, we don't know. Yeah.
It still could be.
That's true.
Yeah, it could be. Kill Them
Well, it's
All,
not in the description specifically.
Metallica. You know,
Metallica.
But
What I mean is,
maybe-
it's not like what was Rob Zombie, where it's
Yeah.
in the name, and it just, you know, it's not based on Metallica.
I would like to also know who thought that it'd be Metallica, because
Based on the name.
Based on the name, like, cool, but like, I don't know. I don't know. But yes, this will, I guess, do it for us.
Yeah. By the way, we haven't. I should have started with this, but today is the 5-year anniversary. Woo! 5 years of failing on YouTube.
Long.
Wow.
But yes, happy anniversary.
Woo. So by the time you see this, hopefully that 5-year merchandise will be available. It took well over 24 hours to work on the mosaic part of it. Hooray! So
Make sure you get the merch off. Coming soon will be the 5th anniversary tribute store coming very shortly
Oh,
to
yes.
Orlando.
Of course.
Yes. So
that's what this is going to be. I thought we were keeping it a secret, but okay.
you just ruined it.
All right. Well, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.
Good stuff.
You can't enter it, but exit through it anyway.